This stag's got a very big body, very heavy animal, probably about nearly 700 pound or 300 kilos, and I was way over the other side over there when I shot him, and now our job's to pull him out about 200 metres. I gutted him while they were redoing the rope up the top.
So first, how much further do you think it is?
About 30 metres, just filming at the moment. So now we've got him right where we needed him, in the open where we can cut him up. He was shot way over the other side, above that clearing over there, and what a magnificent place.